Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you guys are having a great Wednesday. Today is July the 30th of 2025. We have made it to day number 102 of this My Legion Secret Challenge. And if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, guys, we are trying out this method, guys. We are grabbing one offer, okay, from a place called ClickBank, and we're using a service called My Legion Secrets, right? We're putting those two together. We're meshing those two together, right? And we're somehow seeing if we can earn a full-time income doing so with this method, guys. So I'm making these videos for you, coming in every single day, making these videos for you, kind of showing you from start to finish, and show you the possibilities on what's possible for you if you were to get started today, okay, and start working, okay? So let's get right to it. We've made it to day number 102. And let's go ahead. I'm going to take you over here to the mailing system to show you what that's all about, okay? So right here is this is a service called My Legion Secrets. Okay, this is what if you don't have no idea what My Legion Secrets is, it's an email service that provides 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. I call these business opportunity emails. Okay, subscribers. Okay, so these people that are coming onto this list, these people are looking for ways to make money online. Okay. And it's our job as affiliate marketers is to go out and we find offers that are related to making money and we put them in front of this audience. We grab their attention, we get them to subscribe, and we get them to purchase from us. Okay. That's just the whole method to this madness, right? Is to basically, we are the middleman for someone who is trying to accomplish a certain thing, right? Whether that be losing weight, making money, learning how to cook, or whatever it is, right? We're just the middleman and we're providing a service to our customers in that niche. Okay. So, this is the back office of the My Legion Secrets. It's going to look exactly like this. Okay. You're going to have these tabs coming across here. The only thing different is going to be the emails that you send out versus what I send out. Okay. We might be sending out emails on a different day or whatever, but your back office is pretty much going to look like this. Okay. You got your mailing system here. This is where you're going to go send out all of your emails. Okay. So pretty much what you would do, you would come down here and click on select all. And then you can grab an offer. If you've already sent out the offer that we're using for this challenge is going to be an offer called live chat jobs, which is social sales rep. Same thing. Okay. And this offer does have free email swipes. Okay. So if you click on email swipes, it'll take you down to the email swipes. And then you got all 20 of these emails right here. Okay. So what you would do, you would pretty much grab these emails. Okay. And you would open it up. Okay. Now, once you open it up, it's going to have a subject line. It's going to have a body of text. So let's go ahead and go back over here to the mailing system and you have a subject line and then also you have a body of text, right? So same thing, right? So if you've already sent the emails, the cool thing about sending these emails is that you're going to these emails will be stored in here, so you don't have to keep reposting them every single time, right? So all you would pretty much do is you would just come in here and you would send out an email. You would pick the email. Say, for instance, if you're shooting all 20 of these, right? If you're sending all 20 of these emails, these will be stored in the My Legion secret, right? So all you would have to do is click on load. It's going to load the email up. And then all you got to do is come down here, click on perfect timing, and then click on send, right? I've already sent out my emails today, guys. That's why it has this timer right here. I've already sent out my emails tonight. I'm not able to come in. You can send out one email every 24 hours, right? So that's pretty much it, guys. Okay, so once you get those emails, go back and watch these previous videos that we've shot. You would basically take this subject line here and you would control C, copy it. You can come over here to the mailing. Oh, sorry, guys. Come over here to the mailing system, which is right here, and you would come down here and then you would just paste it in, right? And then, like I said, once you start sending out these emails and you send out all 20 of these, they're going to be stored in this this little part here. So you can just go back to the first email, okay, and then go to the second, third, and just keep loading those up, and just keep rinse and repeat, okay, this until you just keep doing it, guys, until you start making money, right? And that's all you have to do. Now, with some of these emails, you can repurpose these emails, okay? Which is you can go over to Chat GPT, okay? And then you can have Chat GPT rewrite this email, okay? So we're not sending out the same email for weeks and months, right? You want to switch it up after a little, after going through these emails maybe like 2 or 3 times, right? You're going to want to, once you get back to number one, you're going to want to switch that email up and start changing up the wording, okay, a little bit, all right? That way it gives the audience, something else to read, and and it changes things up, okay? That way they're not seeing the same email over and over and over, and you get an opportunity to capture, a lot more people, okay? So that's what I would recommend, guys. You can use these emails. I would recommend, if you have not yet, send these 1 through 20 out, okay? If you haven't sent 1 through 20, do that first before you even think about changing the email, because these emails convert, these work, these make money. Okay. So you can send these out a few times. Okay. And then once you start making money from them, okay, then you start switching them up. So you can come back here, you can grab the subject line and grab this body of text, put it in the Chat GPT, and then rewrite the email. And I'll show you guys a little bit later in this video series on how that works and how to repurpose these emails. But for right now, for the sake of this video, just come in and just copy and paste the email that's already in here. And the link that you're going to use is going to be the affiliate link that you're going to use right here. And then, like I said, eventually we're going to get into some more advanced stuff, possibly maybe midway of this challenge, okay? Which we're only in month 4, so maybe month 6, we're going to get in and we'll start doing some more advanced, marketing. Okay, some more advanced stuff to get your conversions a little bit higher. Okay, but for the sake of this video, we're just going to stay with this easy stuff right now. That way, everyone can catch on, and then once everyone catches on and starts doing this, then we can start scaling up and start doing things a little different. Okay. But for right now, this video series, I'm making this video series just for you guys to show you how you can get started, super easy, right? And then how easy it is, showing you how easy it is to just copy and paste emails over to the system. Okay. And once you learn that and master that, then you can start doing more stuff. Okay. And start doing more things, right? So me personally, just a little bit about myself. I have been with My Legion Secrets over a few years now. I totally love the service. Okay, I've promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work and it does convert. Okay, so that's something that I can vouch for, guys, because I've been doing this. All right, so I know what's working and what's not working. Okay, so, and then, like I said, once you get ready, you can come to the mailing system and send out your email. Now, I did leave a link below this video to get started. So if you come down here and you click on this tiny URL, MLGS True Freedom, click on that link, guys. It's going to take you over to the My Legion Secrets to sign up. Go ahead and get signed up. And then once you get signed up, you can create multiple accounts using your own affiliate link. Okay. So once you sign up, your back office is going to look like this. Simply sign out and then sign up again under your own affiliate link. So you would put this into the browser and then sign up using a different email address. Okay. And then, but you can use the same credit card to pay for the service. But you have to use a different email address. Okay. You can't use the same email address to create multiple accounts. Okay. Right now I have 8 different accounts. Okay. That I use. I come in every day and I send out emails every day in all 8 of my accounts. Okay. Now I wouldn't recommend starting out with 8, 9, 10 accounts, right? I would start off at least 2 or 3. And then once you start, seeing, some action here and start seeing a little bit of money come in, you can scale up to about 4 or 5. Okay. Now, if you can start off at 5, if you can afford that starting out, do that, but you're not going to see results starting out. Okay. I'm just going to be upfront with you. You're not going to see results in the beginning. You may see a few sales here and there, but it takes a little bit of time, guys, maybe a few weeks, couple weeks, a couple months, sometimes maybe 4 or 5, 6 months, right? For you to start seeing this thing take off. Okay. So you have to get hit the ground running first, okay, before you can fly. Okay. You got to walk before you can run, right? So this is the beginning of this method, guys. And if you're someone who has patience, you're someone who is relentless, someone who's motivated, and that's willing to learn, okay, and to see this thing, willing to see the light at the end of the tunnel, right? See the light at the end of the tunnel, and you know it's there. That's will be a method for you, okay. But if you're someone that's looking for a lottery ticket, or hoping that you'll just hit the jackpot, this is not this method is not for you, okay. And if you got money to burn, there's paid advertising. If you want to put some money into some campaigns, to see if you can make money that way, you can do it. But this is for people that are just looking to kind of get started and get their feet wet, and looking for a different, another income stream, that you can add on to whatever income stream that you have now, whether if you have a job, or you're working at home full time, or whatever it is that you're doing. Or if you don't have a job, you're not doing anything, you're not making any money, right? So this method, guys, is just super easy to do. If you can copy and paste emails, you can do this, guys. All right, super easy. So go ahead and get started at this link below. Like I said, get started. Send me a message once you do. Okay, I can send you some private emails. Just kind of, something that I'm not sharing with everyone else. That these emails do work, and they help me to get sales quickly. Okay, once I got in the system. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you send out an email in the mileage and secret system. And if you missed this, if you don't understand it, go back and watch this video, okay? And go back to where I'm talking about how you send out an email, guys. All right. So that way, or even go to my other videos in the beginning. I'm basically getting thorough on how you send out an email step by step. Okay, right now we're on, like I said, day 102. I've been showing you guys every single day on how to how to send out an email. So now, I'm just kind of showing you guys just a little bit more advanced stuff, okay, on how you can send out these emails and then repurpose the emails. Okay, so that's kind of what we're leading to. And then, like I said, in month 5, month 6, we'll get into a little bit more advanced stuff. Start talking about repurposing the emails, maybe landing pages and things like that. Okay. But for right now, we're just going to keep it super simple. We're going to use the free email swipes from the vendor. Okay. If you don't have a ClickBank account, I would recommend going to get you a ClickBank account over at clickbank.com. It doesn't cost you anything to get an account. Okay. So, we did, and that's it, guys. That's how you send out an email. Just showed you how to do that. Let's go ahead and go over here to ClickBank. We did send out some emails last night, and I wanted to show you the results and see how much traffic that we got last night. Okay. As you can see, the algorithm has been, every other day, every 2 days, or every day that we may be getting a sale. Okay. So today is the 30th. Okay. And let's go ahead and see what happened today. Okay. Now, we did get a small sale today, but I believe it's on a program that we're not promoting, right? These other offers, guys, come from free traffic, okay, that I do on YouTube. Okay, so I just make these videos or whatever, and I get free traffic from it. So I set it up one time, and then it just, it pays out over and over and over and over. Okay, so it looks like this is the offer that we're using the mileage and secrets traffic from, right? So today, I'm only going to talk about this. I'm not going to talk about this other stuff until after this challenge is over with. So if you see this stuff, don't you can just ignore it. Okay. What we're doing, guys, is we're using one offer, which is a social sales rep. And then we're using a service called Mileage and Secrets. So today we did get 833 hops, and then 803 unique hops, right? These are brand new IP addresses that came to our checkout page. Okay. We didn't get any initial order form impressions from the social sales rep, and we did not earn any free trials. Okay. Now, I believe it was yesterday that we earned a sale, or the day before, okay, that we did earn a free trial sale that should be getting paid out any day. I believe tomorrow that sale will be coming in for the social sales rep. And then also I'll be looking for another initial sale coming in tomorrow, okay? I'll be looking for that, all right? And then we didn't get any type of new free trial sales as well, and no rebuilds today, okay? Now that sale did come from another offer that I shot a video for on YouTube that is getting traffic every day, as you can see. And then also someone, purchased from that, just from that YouTube video I put out. Okay. So, but we're not counting that. Okay. So we did make money, but it's not from the My Legion secret traffic. Okay. So we're only thing that we're doing for this challenge. We're only talking about My Legion secret traffic. Okay. And the offer that we are promoting. Okay. So tomorrow we did send out our emails tonight. So I'll come back in tomorrow to show you the results from the emails that we sent out tonight. Okay. But like I said, if you guys want to get started with ClickBank, you guys can get started. It's super easy to do. It's free to get started. Okay. And once you get started and you start doing this method and you start sending out emails every day, you can start seeing, sales come in as well. Okay. So I'm going to end this video on that note. I'm going to come back here tomorrow and I'll see you guys at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.